Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic Haitian soup Joumou. This flavorful soup is a cherished symbol of freedom and a delicious culinary tradition. We'll start by preparing the main ingredients, including the signature squash and tender beef. Then, we'll combine everything for a rich, aromatic broth. Finally, we'll add the finishing touches to create a truly special meal. First, let's prepare our key ingredients. You'll need to peel, deseed, and boil about 2 pounds of squash until it's very tender. While that cooks, marinate 1.5 pounds of beef with a blend of citrus and spices, ideally overnight for maximum flavor. Then, sauté your aromatics like chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers until they are fragrant and softened. Now, it's time to cook the soup. Add your marinated beef to the pot and brown it well on all sides. Next, incorporate a variety of vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, and cabbage, letting them cook slightly. Pour in enough water or broth to cover everything, then bring it to a boil before reducing the heat. Simmer the soup for at least 1 hour, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. For the final steps, carefully remove the cooked squash and blend it until it forms a smooth, creamy puree. Stir this vibrant puree back into the soup, along with your choice of pasta and fresh herbs like parsley and thyme. Let it simmer for another 10 to 15 minutes until the pasta is tender. Serve your homemade soup Joumou hot, perhaps with a slice of crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.